Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to open Chrome DevTools or developer tools. So there are two methods. You can open your DevTool for any website. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser, and then open any website you want to check DevTool, and click anywhere on the screen and right click I'm talking about, and scroll down and you can see the inspect. Click on this button and here you can see your DevTool options. And the second method is you have to press function and F12 key. In some laptops you will see F12, so you can try both. So here you can change the device. Here you can see elements, console, source, network, performance, memory, application, security, lighthouse, and recorder. And network tab is very important for the performance. You can check waterfall, time, size, which file is taking too much time and which file is very heavy. You can see all doc, css, js. So there are so many options. You can disable cache and see the browser cache is enabled or not for any resources. Result logs you can check. You can check your site on fast 4G, slow 4G, and 3G and other methods. Go to performance. Here you can see the CPU as well, so you can slow down the CPU and test your website. And if you want to check what code on this HTML code you are using on this button, just click here on the arrow button and select here, so you can see everything here. So there are so many methods. You can change the device from here, and right side and if you want to see in a different window you can see as well. So there are so many methods, and there is one more uh, options. Here are so many optimization things. Coverage is my very I'm very fond of this feature. It will provide you which file has unused code, so it is very helpful to optimize your website. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query you can ask me in the comment box. Thank